Um, this time I'll use the knife-based classifier to classify the text. So guys, look at this. We will do the text classification. We will do the text classification. So the idea of the text classification is very simple. I think you can see this one. We will look at this one by representing it in different way. For the D1, we will use the document 1, document 2, document 3, document 4, document 5, and to document N, for example. And for the attributes, we will use the word instead of the attributes, like how many words appear in the document 1. So for example, we use cat, we use dog, we use book, we use read, we use food, we use buy, and most words in these attributes must be stemmed. Like if it's food, if it's dogs, it will be changed to dog, for example, like this. Or bought buys will be changed to buy. This is called the word stemming. So we'll have all words appear in all documents will be gathered here. And for example, if the terms, there's one book here, one read here, and no food, no buy. In document 2, we have a cat, we have a dog, we don't no book, and we have food. We have food and buy. We have a cat and no dog. The book, read, no food and buy. Cat, dog, book, read, food, no buy, for example. And we must have the label or the class that, okay, we like it, we don't like it, or positive and negative. Positive, for example. And after we have this table, we can apply the knife-based classifier to classify this text. Okay, so it's quite simple. This is the idea, and I'll show you how can we do it. For example, we have a document. We have to pass the document and create a dictionary and count the words. Count the words. Okay, and then create a word vector. Okay, so sometimes we use the term frequency. That is, you have to count it. Sometimes we use the just existence of the word. If there is a word book, if there is a word read, we use just only one. Okay. Sometimes we use the term frequency, that if there is 2 reads in that document, we will use this number 2. Okay. And we have another one, that is the TF-IDF to represent the word vector. This one is very important, TF-IDF. It is a term frequency times inverse document frequency. I'll tell you about these values in our programming again. Term frequency times inverse document frequency. The inverse document frequency is like the number of the documents that this word is appear. These words appear in that document. Okay, or not appear. We have to think about these values later. So we can change a document into the word vector like this. Okay, so after we transform it to the word vector, now we can send it to the naive-Bayes classifier. I'll show you how can we write the program and how can we use these words to like in the real world, in your real application. Okay guys, I'll talk about this in the next video clip.